This creature rockets through water at 22 miles per hour, faster than most people drive through school zones. Meet penguins, the ocean's most unexpected speed demons. They hold their breath for 20 minutes straight, 4 times longer than Navy SEALs during training. Their wings beat 3 times per second underwater, matching a hummingbird's wing speed in air. Emperor species dive 1,800 feet down, deeper than the Empire State Building is tall. They launch themselves 9 feet out of water, higher than a basketball hoop. These birds can see ultraviolet light, revealing an entire rainbow humans can't even imagine. The ocean never stops surprising us. Subscribe. We're just getting warmed up in these icy waters. Which fact made your jaw drop? Stay tuned for more seriously cool facts.